Hello everyone. Today I have taken a basic topic of English grammar. Noun. A noun is a name of a person, place, or thing. Means all words used in a sentence as a name for any person, place, animal, object, etc. come under the classification of noun. For example, person Ram and Dinesh, place Kolkata and Delhi, thing book and pencil. Here we can divide noun into two parts. First is countable noun, second is uncountable noun. Countable nouns are those that can be counted. Uncountable nouns are those that cannot be counted. Here we can divide countable nouns into three parts. First is proper noun, second is common noun, third is collective noun. And we can divide uncountable nouns into two parts. First is material noun, second is abstract noun. Let's take proper noun. Proper noun which denotes a particular person, place or thing. For example, first is my name is Dimpy Thakur. Second is I like to eat Dabur honey. Dimpy Thakur and Dabur words come under the category of proper noun because these are the names of a particular things or person. Now, proper nouns are usually capitalized, means while writing the first character of the proper noun is always written in capital letter. Now let's take common noun. A common noun is a non-specific person, place or thing, or we can say that it represents a whole class of its kind, as dog, girl and country are examples of common noun. These words are non-specific nouns and can be referring to any dog, any girl or any country. Common nouns are usually not capitalized. Here are some examples. First example is boys like to play football. Here we are talking about all boys. Second example, my sister and her friend plan to ride their bikes to the movies. The four common nouns in this sentence, sister, friend, bikes, movies, are not capitalized because these are the names of a category of things, person or place. Let's take third example, my friend borrowed a few books yesterday. Here, friend is a common noun because we don't know about the friend. Friend is Reena or Tina. And we also don't know about the book name. So that friend and book is a common noun. In this picture, you can see that the particular name of which are given, that is proper noun. On the other side, we can see that the particular names are not given, that is common noun.